Cortaid cream is used to treat a variety of skin conditions such as insect bites, poison oak, ivy, eczema, dermatitis, allergies, rash, itching of the outer female genitals, anal itching. Generic name hydrocortisone. Hydrocortisone reduces the swelling, and itching and redness that can occur in these types of conditions. This medication is a mild corticosteroid. Indications. Topical corticosteroids are indicated for the relief of the inflammatory and psoriatic manifestations of corticosteroid-responsive dermatitis. How to use. Don't take this medicine by mouth. Apply the medicine to the affected area. Wash the area first before applying medicine. Don't cover the area after applying the medicine. Keep the medicine at room temperature. Avoid heat and direct light. This medicine should only be used on the skin. Don't apply other lotions, gels, creams, or cosmetics for at least 30 minutes after using this medicine. It is best to avoid using these products on the affected area until you are done using this medicine. Avoid getting the medicine in the eyes, nose, or mouth. Wash the medicine off your fingers after applying it. Gently rub the medicine into the area until evenly spread. Wash your hands before and after handling this medicine. Please tell a doctor and pharmacist about all the medicines you take. Include both prescription and over-the-counter medicines. Also tell them about any vitamins, herbal medicines, or anything else you take for your health. You may stop using this medicine if you no longer have symptoms. This medicine is available over the counter and does not require prescription. Don't freeze the medicine. Contraindications. Topical corticosteroids are contraindicated in these patients with a history of hypersensitivity to any of the components of the preparation. Precautions. Tell a doctor and pharmacist if you ever had an allergic reaction to a medicine. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include trouble breathing, skin rash, itching, swelling, or severe dizziness. Don't use the medication any more than instructed. Side effects. The following is a list of some common side effects from this medicine. Please speak with your doctor about what you should do if you experience this or other side effects. Burning or stinging, dry skin, skin irritation such as redness, itching, rash, or burning. Change in skin color, skin irritation where medicine is applied, thinning of the skin. A few people may have an allergic reaction to this medicine. Symptoms can include difficulty breathing, skin rash, itching, swelling, or severe dizziness. If you notice any of the symptoms, seek medical help quickly. Tell the doctor or pharmacist if you are pregnant, planning to be pregnant, or breastfeeding.